end of the entire chapter is not too confusing. It's just some algebra stuff. So here's what our goal is. We need to prove if these two functions are inverses of each other. And here is how we do that. Okay, so I'm going to try to color code this to make it a little bit easier for you. So all we're going to do is we're going to take this green function and we're going to plug it in for this x. And if it comes out to be x, then it is an inverse. Then we're going to take this blue function and plug it into the green function for this x and solve it. And if it comes out to be x, then we are good. All right, so let's get started here. F of something, right, equals x plus 5. All right, so this is the blue function. I'm going to now change colors to my green, and I'm going to plug in this part of it, x minus 5, for this x right here, x minus 5. Then I'm just going to go ahead and simplify it. I guess I'm doing different shades of blue here. So equals, well, x minus 5 plus 5 is just x. It works. Now let's do the green function. Okay, so g something is going to equal something minus 5. Okay, I'm going to take my blue. My blue function is x plus 5. So x plus 5 is right here. So now let me plug it in for this x plus 5. Okay, now let's do some math here. So g of x plus 5 is going to equal, well, x plus 5 minus 5 is just x. That means that these two functions, yes, are inverses of each other. Last monitoring progress, we are going to check to see if these two functions are inverses of each other. So I'm going to take my purple function first, f of x, and I'm going to plug in g of x, my red function. So let's get started here. So I'm going to write f of x is going to equal 8 times x cubed. And instead of putting in x, we're going to put in the g of x function, which is the cube root of 2x. So now the cube root of 2x. Okay, now let's solve this. Well, the cube root, these cubes are going to cancel each other out. So that means it's 8 times 2x, which means that this answer is 16x. Is this answer just x? No, it is not. Okay, so that means right now I don't think that this is a function, but we're going to check and do the second problem. So g of x is going to be the cube root of 2 times the f function. So 8x cubed, and I'm going to put 8x cubed here. Now let's clean it up and finish it. So it's going to be the cube root of, well, that comes out to be 16, but I'm going to actually not multiply it out. And the reason why I'm not going to multiply it out is because I know that 8 is the cube of 2. And I also know that x cubed, the cube is just x. So let's clean it up then. The cube root of 8 is 2, so that's going to come out here. The cube root of x cubed is x, and the only thing that's left inside that cube root is a 2. Oh, is this answer x? No, it is not. So that means no, they are not inverses of each other.